Welcome, ABC song, dear kids. Let's have fun learning the alphabets. How to write alphabets. Let's start. A. Diagonal line and horizontal line. Next, B. Vertical line and two curved lines. B. Then C. Curved line opening right. Then D. Vertical line, then curved line. E. Horizontal line, then vertical line. F. Vertical line, two horizontal lines. G. Curved line and horizontal line. H. Two vertical line and horizontal line. I. Vertical line, two horizontal line. Then J. Curved line. K. Vertical line, then diagonal line. L. Vertical line, horizontal line. N. Two diagonal lines, two vertical lines. Then N. Two vertical lines, diagonal lines. O. Curved circle. Curved line circle. P. Vertical line, curved line. Q. Curved line, diagonal line. R. Vertical line, curved line, then diagonal line. S. Curved line, S shape. T. Vertical line, horizontal line. U. Curved line, vertical line. V. Diagonal line. W. Diagonal line, vertical line. X. Two diagonal lines. Y. Diagonal lines, vertical lines. Z. Horizontal line, diagonal line.